Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Madam Glam haul. This is February's collection, I believe. I don't think I got March yet, even though we are into February. Today is the 18th, so unfortunately this is going to be super late and after Valentine's Day, and I knew this would be such a pretty collection. I already see, is this thermal? I don't know, maybe cat eye? Cat eye. I love me a good cat eye. Oh my gosh. I love cat eye. Whoop, we had one jump off. Okay, perfect. What is this? Oh, a magnet. Perfect. Literally, my magnets are, oh, okay. Go off, Madam Glam. Look at this magnet. This is really nice. And it has some weight to it, but not like overly weighted. Okay, I'm so excited. And honestly, I feel like I might, like I have an idea in my head and I didn't do it for these nails. Even though I love these nails, I might have to switch them out. At least do something on this hand because I have an idea with these. So let's get into the swatching. I'm sorry, I'm gonna make you wait for the cat eyes. I know you want them first, but we're not doing that. Okay, so we got Blue Passion. Ooh, a nice robin egg type color. Ooh. This is perfect for Easter, going into the spring season, and I'm just making a mess of this swatch. Super pretty color. Love that color. Here is Blue Passion, and here it is matte. Really pretty matte. Next up is Sweetheart. Again, I think this is gonna go with that robin egg blue. This is your super light pink. Ooh, that might be too much. Again, that's super light pink. Here is Sweetheart. And here it is matte. Almost like a super like light pink that is like white. Next up we have Juliet's Vow. Ooh, I like this. This is a nice solid medium pink. This might be the color of choice for me. Yeah, I like that color a lot. Juliet's Vow. This might be my favorite, although surprisingly, I did really like that dark one, but I love this, especially going into the spring season. This is the color for me. And our last cream is Cupid's Kiss. What a cute little name. And this is your darker pink. Ooh, I really like this color too. I wasn't quite sure if this would be my color, but it definitely is. And last up is Cupid's Kiss. And here it is matte. Matte, oh yes. Matte and these like creamy colors are just amazing. All right, now into the good stuff, okay? Here is Icy Touch. Ooh, I love foil gels. So the fact that this is also a foil, right up my alley. Get some off my brush. There we go. And I'm doing super light touches because you don't want to go super hard, especially with foil type gels, because if you do, you're gonna end up making, whoa, that is shiny. My goodness. Wow. Here, I'll demagnetize it for you guys. So you can kind of see. Like, that's with it demagnetized. And then if you want to bring up that side, that's what everyone is doing with kind of their solids. They demagnetize it and then bring up just one side. But I personally like it all magnetized. So I'm just resetting the glitters. Let me wipe off my brush here. I had a ton on there. Yes, man. Here is Icy Touch. Amazing. Amazing. Next up is Moonlit Romance. Ooh, okay. I wish I had these for Valentine's Day. I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at how pretty that is. Here is Moonlit Romance. Perfection. Next up is Sparkly Hearts. Ooh. This is really pretty. My goodness. Here is Sparkly Hearts. Literally obsessed. Straight obsessed. Next up is Love's Abyss. Ooh, okay. I'll be curious to see how this, whoa, that's way too much, compares to the other one. Okay. Wow, these are amazing. Here is Love's Abyss. And then this one, it looks like there is the pink flecks versus the silver in the other ones, including that last pink one. That one had some silver flecks. Okay, do you need a moment for these glitters? Because I need a moment. Not only do I love foil, okay? I love foil gels. Like, hands down, my favorite type of glitter because they just go on so pigmented, and the effect, let alone the cat eye, okay? The effect of them is just amazing. And then you can see them really well next to the matte of these. Obsessed. And I probably could have done these on matte because they're so full coverage. And then this looks like extra satiny. But these are literally amazing. And the creams are beautiful as well. But as soon as I got into the foils, I forgot about the creams, okay? I'll be honest. I am 100% drawn to these foil gels. And then again, so this has like that silvery undertone, same with this one. And even this one has a silver undertone. It may be a little bit more purple, but this one is definitely a pink when it comes to that holographic. And I would honestly say that's probably pink as well. So I do have a discount code with Madam Glam. I will make sure to link it below, but generally speaking, they do have a better code than I do running on their site. So I will make sure to link them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.